What up, everybody? This is Keith from Show Chrome, here to bring you some brand new products for your Polaris Slingshot. Today we're talking about the Kaliber Passenger Grab Handle cover. Please your passenger with the refined look and added comfort of the Kaliber Passenger Grab Handle cover. Our artisans hand-stitch each piece, adding premium, made in the USA craftsmanship. Marine grade vinyl for durability, fade prevention, and cold weather crack protection. Available in black, red, and blue stitching. These covers install in seconds with a zipper and hold snugly in place. Complete the look of your slingshot with the matching Kaliber line. Armrest pads, seatbelt covers, e-brake handle cover, grab handle cover, dual dashboard pouches, center console organizer, driver and passenger side organizers and drink holders, Glovebox Organizer. All available in black, red, and blue stitching. You want your slingshot to stand out? It's your ride, only better with Show Chrome. I'm Keith, and I'm heading down to South Beach.